Look, see? It's so dark mga katrops. Alright mga katrops, andito naman tayo ngayon sa Grand Prismatic Spring. Ayan o, tingnan mo. At yun yung lakaran mga katrops. Yan, papunta ko sa taas. First time ng lahat eh, so medyo excited to. Nag-ready na yung mga katropa natin. Maganda tong experience pa mga to kasi first time lahat eh. Alright. Samahan nyo kami at explore natin tong Grand Prismatic Spring kung anong meron dito. Alright. Time. Come on, let's go. Ito mga sinasabi ko mga katrops. Ito yung lakaran. Oh my God. Yeah. We're gonna go there no mama. Later. See? Yan, hindi na. Okay, come on. Oh, look, see? Oh, wow. Grand Prismatic.
Oh, wow.
Yung daming tao talaga pag summer dito. Mga katrops. Go them! Go first. Hurry up. Nice. Oh, wow. Hey. Nice. Gano'ng karaming tao yan mga katrops. Dito lang tayo sa yellow na may stone. We call it Yellowstone because there's a yellow in the stone.
That's right.
That's right. No, it's wrong. Oh my God. Come on, let's go. Kaya mga katrops, medyo nakakapagod din yung pag-akyat ha. Kasi stiff dun eh. In fairness. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Kahit umuusok yan, walang nag-ihaw-ihaw dyan. Alright. Normal lang yan dito sa Yellowstone. Okay? Dito tayo sa gitna. Come on. Oh, look at that. Kid, don't do that. See? Don't step on it, okay? That's dangerous. Oh, look at that time. So smoky. I think the demon is there. Yeah. Whew. So nice there. Let's go. Ito yung mga otot ng mga demonyo na ipon mga otot na naging usok. Ayan o. Ang dami. Alright. Come on. Oh. Ito yung tinatawag na, hindi guys, sir, ito yung crater eh. Ayan o. Yan o. Bunganga ng vulkan yan eh. Tingnan sa bunganga ng vulkan. Hindi bunganga ng Marlo. Ha? Yan o. Yan yung tinatawag na crater mga to. Exclusion Geyser Crater. Look. See? Look at that. Ooh. One-way traffic. We gotta go this way. See, look at that. That's a crater. Come on. If you go there, Marley, you're gonna get burned. That's so hot. No, that's crater. Hey Marley, what happened to your finger if you touch that one? Nothing. Are you sure? Yeah, hey, look at that. See?
Put your foot out there.
Don't put your finger there, Kathleen.
Let's go, babies.
Let's go. Look at that. Ito yung dumadayo, mga katops namin talaga. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at our pictures. See? So nice. Yeah. See? Ako gano'ng maraming taong nang pupunta dito. Yeah, let's go to the other side over there. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, boys.
No, why, Mom?
She's lying. Don't put your finger there. See?
It's actually no poison.
Hey, look at that. See? Look at that. That's a lava. Lava, lava, lava. Chicken, chicken, chicken.
No, it's not hot.
Yeah. Look, oh, the guys are over there. See? It explode now. Yeah, right there.
That's grandpa's water.
Yeah.
Tornado.
See? There's a thunderstorm over there. Yeah.
I just only see this in National Geographic.
Yes, like geographic. See, look at the thunderstorm, Kathleen, over there. It's so crazy. You need to move very fast. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. The thunderstorm is coming.
I hate you.
Coming now. See that one time? So black over there. Merong namumuong thunderstorm mga katrops. Kaya yung mga tao nagsisialisan na. Oh, ayan na. Let's go! Woohoo! Let's go, let's go. Run, run, run. Time. Shoot out the mga katrops. How you run? Hey, Kathleen! Yay! Yay! Let's go! Ah, si Alisa na kasi may thunderstorm. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Look at that, see? Look at this one time. Look, so nice.
It's so small.
It's small prismatic.
The storm
Yeah.
is coming.
Yeah, let's go. This is so nice. Let's go, let's go. It's a baby prismatic. Come on, this way. There's a turnout here. See? Oh, the name is Opal Pool. See? Opal Pool.
Let's go swim there.
Right there. Mga katrops, what is that? Turquoise. Turquoise pool. Oh, look at that. Yeah, like a turtle like that. See, that's the turquoise. Yeah.
Let's go swim in the turtle swimming pool.
Yeah, look at that. The thunderstorm is coming. Come on, let's go. Yeah, mga katrops, ayan na. Parating na yung thunderstorm. Bring it on. The thunderstorm. Bring it on. Yeah. Thunder. Ha, 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 ha. Thunder. Look, see? It's so dark mga katrops. Naabutan na kami dito ng thunderstorm. Thunder is coming. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Yes. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. This way. So mga katrops, bababa na kami kasi mayroong thunderstorm na eh. Ayan o. Ayan o, malapit na nga sa amin o. Ayan mo. Ang itim-itim. Alright. Woo. Grand Prismatic. Here we go. Oh, hear that, Dime?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Grand Prismatic. Yeah.
And enjoy your shower.
Yeah, enjoy the shower. Oh, yan mga katrabos, ang masasaulan na naman kami. Nabutan kami ng thunderstorm. O, tingnan mo ha, gano'n kalupit yan o. Oh, basang-basa. You're wet? Okay. So, hanggang dito na lang yung munting vlog natin sa Grand Prismatic Spring. Alright mga katrabos. Oh, see you to the next one. Basang-basa sa ulan. Stay tuned. Rock and roll. Peace out.